Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Cadillac Escalade key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, including any new ones you want to program. Ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged before starting this process. You will need to be inside the vehicle for most of these steps. This method works for many Cadillac models, making it a useful skill to learn quickly. To begin, make sure all your vehicle's doors are completely closed. Next, insert your ignition key into the ignition cylinder. Now, press and hold the door unlock button located on the driver's side door panel. Keep holding this button as you proceed to the next step. This action prepares your vehicle to enter programming mode. While still holding the door unlock button, quickly cycle the ignition from on to OFF, then on to OFF again. Now, release the door unlock button. The vehicle's doors will lock and then unlock, confirming it is in programming mode. Take each key fob, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for about 15 seconds. The doors will cycle again to confirm each fob is programmed. To exit the programming mode, simply turn the ignition switch to the RUN position. Now, it's time to test all your newly programmed key fobs. Make sure each one locks, unlocks, and performs all its intended functions correctly. If any fob doesn't work, repeat the process. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so you know they are built to last. It's a fantastic way to treat your feet and ensure comfort all day long. Don't miss out on these quality products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.